Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how simple it is to make these kind of cabochon jewelry. The first thing you need are your cabochons. I'm using these 12mm size cabochon gemstones. They are flat on one side, and I also use the 10mm size ones for rings. Today I'll be using the 12mm size cabochons. I'll be making earrings. This is one kind of earrings you can make. The smaller cabochons, the 10mm size ones, I use to make these rings, and the 12mm for the earrings. These are the stud earrings I'll be using. These are stainless steel and I got them off of Amazon. This is the glue I always use for cabochons. I got it off of Amazon as well. And now we just pick our cabochon. I don't think I mentioned this, but these cabochons I got from an Etsy shop. I'll be putting down their name on the description box below if you're interested. Okay, for today I'm going to be using these marble looking ones for these stud earrings. This glue is almost like super glue. It acts the same way, so just be careful. Don't get it on your fingers. I got it on my fingers, and as you can see, the gemstone got stuck to my fingers. So you gotta be careful. Don't add too much glue either. You don't need too much, because otherwise it'll overflow and it'll get on top of the gemstone, and then it'll be hard to get off. So now you just do the same thing to the other stud. Very easy. Add your glue. Enough for the gemstone to go on top of it, or your cabochon, and that's all. Very simple to do. And that's it. That's all you need. Your glue, your cabochons, and your earrings or jewelry, whatever jewelry you choose. Very simple to make. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching.